As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next door. On the ends, me no trouble miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always have me after them fence, you know. Chain, where me pants there? I want to run them, boy. Me just paint the fence. As the sun start shine and the cock start crow, me a brief we go sit down on the fence next door. On the ends, me no trouble miss chain, me no touch past Joe, but them always have me after them fence, you know.
How would them feel like? Sure, me soon buy one cat for when me go market.
Hey, Bobo, how am to you now? It look like the market thing now work out for you.
Market frost? Me nearly dead out there. Me say people them just hack up all my food them. Me have to I try see where me can get to eat from the market because everybody just a dive down like a starvation a come. Me no understand them people. Me no understand them at all. Plus this a taxi man there. Him want kill off people when people are come home and I take me from me stop. You never see him first?
But in them time, you know, Bobo. A delivery services me use for carrying anything with me want. Me no left my yard.
You know, say a serious thing. Kind of them time I did sell have online tap up in a frost. Me now have to come out for nothing. You know, say, me I go home right now and make them put the computer on the line and see if me can get some top up and put on some credit from my phone.
I wonder if him realize on a clothesline me a talk about. More some top up too. Me have to go beg Bobo go on the line there and send me some credit when him done.
Hey boy, come off of my fence!
Cool.